Hi, this is the Silver Bullet Fan, and I wanted to take special time to thank all of my new 1,000 subscribers who are watching my channel. And I have a special treat for you because I finally found a location I wanted to find since 1987. And if you're a fan of Sledge Hammer, you'll probably recognize this location. So, as I come out of the parking garage across the street, if I just flip around, you'll recognize this building. This is the building used as the police station from Sledge Hammer.
Why don't you make me put it out? I can smoke any time I want.
Not when it's against the law. Personally, the only kind of smoking I approve of comes from the barrel of a gun.
Hammer, you came within an inch of that man's face.
I know. I must be pulling to the left.
Hammer! In my office right now! Strike this man, Hammer!
Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
So in closing, I just want to thank Alan Spencer for making a great TV show, and it sucks that it didn't last, but like with so many people, that show will be in my heart forever. Thank you, Alan Spencer, for Sledge Hammer. Trust me, I know what I'm doing.